contest is an Extreme Rules match. Making her way to the ring from Auckland, New Zealand, Rose.
This is a competitor who isn't happy with a win unless they get a handshake from their opponent afterwards. A real respect for the business.
Can they even work their hands properly? Apparently, they lack a spine.
A determined look on her face. She knows how to prove herself in the women's division.
And from your darkest fears, the ringer.
The WWE Universe more than ready to see this one start. This is going to be good.
She certainly knows how to get a reaction, and she'll get an even bigger one when she wins this match.
Extreme Rules match, you need a bit of a deranged mind to agree to these stipulations.
This is where all the barriers come down. You really find out who a superstar is and what they're capable of with nothing to hold them back.
And one for good measure.
My God, what a cross body. Oh, look at her torture their opponent. Uh-oh, this isn't going to be good. Oh, man.
Oh, my.
Inflicting pain at will.
Fails to connect on the springboard. Uh-oh. Harlem Sun. Here's a cover.
Could be it.
Kick out. She still has life.
She just dug down deep there, but I don't know if she'll be able to do it again. Enough already. She's got the head scissors cinched in, and this is just torturous. Look how she's raining down those elbows. Going way up high.
Oh, that'll wake you up.
Able to counter.
She's tipping the scales here a bit. Senton connects.
To the outside.
This could get wild. Settling on the kendo stick. No good can come from this.
Just unloading knees to the body.
Some superstars are understandably hesitant to exploit the no disqualification stipulation.
Then they need to go wrestle a different match. This is the kind of match where you need to cross the line before the opposition does. If a superstar wants the W, they need to overcome that hesitation.
She saw it coming.
Into the barricade.
All measured up. Ah, drop kick to the spine.
Just mounted with punches. And not, oh, a nasty stop to finish it off. Oh, way to steer clear. Oh, ooh, amazing agility.
Oh, man.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
Absolutely no telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
Oh, boy, she found a kendo stick. This match might just get hard to watch. She's staying elusive.
Kendo stick impact.
And each of these lethal maneuvers have got to be taking a toll.
And we might be seeing a competitor crumbling before our very eyes.
Yeah, but she needs to maintain some offense and fully get back in this one.
Dodges out of the way. Going up high with the punch.
Oh, and she turns it around.
Ooh, sharp kick.
Big punch finds its mark.
Oh, colliding with a barricade. Stiff headbutt.
Kicks to the lower back. Clutching the wrist. Just absolutely punishing their opponent here. Relentlessly. As she proves to be too quick.
She goes back inside the ropes.
And she's using this moment to summon all of her strength.
How's that for a counter?
Flipping backstabber.
She covers for the pin. And she thwarts the pin attempt in one.
Shows that this is still anybody's match at this point.
What a punch!
Great agility.
She wants to take this one outside the ring, it seems.
A steel chair? Something.
Cover! Is it enough? Cover! What a kick out! I don't believe it.
Wait, are we sure that was not a 3 count?
You can't count that high, Saxton, but that was one of the closest near falls you'll ever see.
I don't know if there's more frustration or desperation in the ring now, knowing that you've tried to end this and failed.
In paradise.
See ya. Definitely wouldn't.
Picked up the victory.
Here is your winner, the Ringer.
A strenuous victory here tonight.
Those aches and pains are going to be a reminder of this win for days to come.